everyone, I'm back with my junk journal 2025 January, and I'm working on today's prompt, which is going to be hidden. So before starting, I have to tell you that while working on this page, because this was a very thin page, it was a copy paper, so this got folded and it made some really weird impression here, and some of the paper got ripped from here while working on the wax stamp. So even though it's a very nice page, unfortunately I'm going to cover it up, and I'm literally a bit pressed on the time, so this one is going to be a quick art journal. So let's get started. I'm going to cover these two pages with a digital print from Design by MNN. So that's what I'm going to use, and yeah, let's get started. Alright, so now I have cut the pages, trimmed them down to the size, and it is looking nice. So now on to the next step, because this particular piece of copy paper has a gel print, and on top of that there was a gold stenciling which I really liked, so I want to bring the gold stenciling back on this page. So for that I'm going to use this Geometric Bliss stencil from Craft Angles. And I'm using Liquid-X Basics Gold. I'm going to pour it on this paper. Get it a bit on the side. Okay, here we go. I think I can put some splatter here also. It was a very nice background to not have the splatters. Okay, the page is now done, so I'm going to, it's all dried. So now before doing anything, I just want to define the edges of this journal page. So for that I am using a Derwent stick in Payne's gray color. This is like my favorite go-to color for doing this. And yeah, quite happy with how it's turning out. And there are some very subtle. Okay, so time to add the focal image onto the page. So guys, this is the page for today, and here's a close-up. And as you can see, I have implemented some of the elements that represent hidden. First of all, I hide that page. Then I added gold paint, which is in a certain angle you don't see, especially the splatters. You don't see those splatters, they are hidden. And the focal element, the girl's face is hidden, and same with the coat. The most beautiful things are always hidden, same as the face of this girl and the splatters and gold on the page. So I think I have done quite a good justice with today's theme. So I hope you like this page. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up, leave comments below, and share with friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.